So hello everyone. I'm sure that you're preparing well for CSIR NET 2024, June 2024. So here I've brought a series of the General Aptitude Question Solutions, PYQs, previous year questions. So today we are starting with the December 2023 paper, General Aptitude, that is Part A Solutions. And today I'll be discussing a few questions. I don't want to make this video long, so I will just be discussing a few questions today, which will be continued in the next video, which is going to come soon. So let's start with the video. So I hope you can see the first question on screen. So the first question of Part A General Aptitude of the December 2023 question paper says that all the 4 entries in column A must be matched with all the 4 entries in column B. Each correctly matched option gets 1 mark and no mark is awarded otherwise. Then which of the following marks cannot be obtained? So let me explain this question. This is a very simple question. So I have 4 options. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 in the left column say L, and in the right column say R. In the right column say R, I have B, A, D, C. So 1 matches with A. For 1, A is the correct option. Similarly for 2, B, 3, C, and 4, D is the correct option. Now you see, if I match 1 with A, 2 with B, 3 with C, then I get 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3 marks. So I get 3 marks. But I am left with only one option on the left hand side and only one option on the right hand side. So I cannot obtain 3 marks because I have to join this with this, which will give me plus 1 equal to 4 marks. So which of the marks cannot be obtained? The correct answer should be option number 1, which is 3, which is the correct option according to the solutions. So not the solutions, I have collected the correct answers from the internet, which I will be sharing in the description of this video, so you can find it there. So next we move over to the second question. You can see the second question on the screen. The second question says that 4 children had 27 apples among them. No child has less than 5 apples. If no 2 children had the same number of apples, then which of the following could not be the number of apples that a child had? So let me explain this question now. So this is question number 2. Say one child had 5 apples, which is the first option. Say one child has 5 apples. 5 is the minimum number of apples that a child should have. So 27 minus 5 is equal to 22 apples are remaining. So I have to distribute these 22 apples among 3 children. That I can distribute as, if you just check once, you will see that I can distribute it as 6 plus 7 plus 9. So that is already possible. 5, 6, 7, 9 are already possible. 3 of the options are 5, 6 and 9, and one option is 8. So the answer is option number 3. 8 is not possible. You can check it in the correct answers. Now you can see question number 3 on the screen. Question number 3 says, in 1979, Ramesh's age was the sum of the digits of his year of birth. In 2017, on his birthday, what was his age? And I am provided 4 options. So this is a bit of a tricky question. I can explain this question like this. So understand carefully. Question number 3. You have to draw a timeline. Say this is the point where Ramesh's age was 0. That is, Ramesh was born. Then you come to a point in 1979 where Ramesh's age was, say, X. So this time Ramesh's age was 0. So the year was 1979 minus X should be. Now then ahead in 2017, Ramesh's age should be this X plus 2017 minus 1979, which is X plus 38. You can check. So in the given options, what I will do is, I'm telling you the technique. So if I check for the third option, which is given as Ramesh's age was 16 in this year 2017, then my X plus 38 will be equal to 60. So X will be equal to 22. Now this is 22 in that case. So 1979 minus X in that case will be equal to 1979 minus 22, that is equal to 1957. Now if I add the digits 1957 according to the given question, that will give me 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 10 plus 5, 15, 22, which is equal to X. So option 3 is my correct option. Option 3 is 60, which is my correct option, and you can check from the rest of the options, which are 49, 57 and 64. You can check these three options, that is none of them are correct, that they will not give this as the answer when you do this calculation. You can check that. Next, let's go to question number 4. I hope you can see the question on screen. So it says that if if x is between a and b and if y is between 0 and 1, then which of the following relations hold? That is basically the meaning of the question. So you can come to question number 4. This is an interesting question which says that x is between a and b and y is between 0 and 1. So the first we assume that a and b are positive. So if we check option number 1, it says that y is equal to a minus x divided by b plus a. X is greater than a, so a minus x is negative and this is positive. So this is not holding because y is between 0 and 1. Y cannot be negative. So this is y, this cannot be negative. So this is not holding. Number 2 we have in the options, that is y is equal to x minus a divided by b minus a, which is possible. Number 3 we have, because both are positive, you can check. Number 3 we have y is equal to x minus b divided by b minus a. Here also x minus b is negative and this is positive. Y cannot be negative, so this is not possible. And option 4, that is y is equal to b minus x divided by a plus b. This is also possible. So option 2 and 4 are possible. Now we take the second case, that is a and b can be negative. Most students miss this part, because of which they will get the question wrong. So a and b is negative. Now let's say a is less than x is less than b. Without the loss of generality, we can assume a situation where minus 5 is a, minus 3 is x and minus 2 is b. Now what we do here is, now we check option number 2, which is y equal to x minus a. Y is equal to x minus a by b minus a. X minus a in this case is minus 3 plus 5 and b minus a is minus 3 plus 5 and minus 2 and minus a means plus 5. So this is giving me 2 divided by 3, which is well in between 0 and 1. So this can be an option. Number 4, let's check. Y is equal to b minus x divided by a plus b. So it is giving me, in this case, for this case, it is giving me b is minus 2, minus x is plus 3, and this is giving me minus a is minus 5 and b is minus 2. So this is negative again, this is positive. So this is again not possible. So my correct answer is option number 2. You can check the correct option from the PDF that I have provided in the description. So these are the questions that I wanted to discuss for today. In the next part, I will discuss the next few questions of the general aptitude for December 2023 paper. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you gain some value from this. Thank you.